Hi everyone, this is going to be our second class in Mastering SQL from Basic to Advanced. And in this class, we will see how to download MySQL and install it on our local system. So for that, open a browser and type download MySQL. The first link will be from the official website. Just click on that. You'll see a web page like this. Just scroll a bit and at last you will see an option of MySQL community downloads. So click on that. Now, again, there will be lot of options. So we need to click on MySQL installer for Windows. After this, there are again two options and we will choose the second one because this is a complete package. So click on download this. Now it asks for login or sign up. You can simply skip this step by clicking here. No thanks, just start my download. Once you click here, you'll see that your download has already begun. Since I have already downloaded this, I will pause this one and will directly move to the installation part. So once you download the entire setup, you just need to open it, give the necessary permissions, and after this you will find such type of screen. Since we want to understand what are the products we're going to install, so I'll choose for a custom setup. So click on custom and click next. Then click on MySQL servers, or you can just drag this MySQL servers and you'll get this much amount of option. So we'll choose the latest one. Click on this and just simply click on this green arrow to drag this. Then you can minimize this one. Go to applications. Now we want Workbench. So basically Workbench will be the UI through which you will write the queries and interact with the database. So click on this and again the latest one. Drag this one, minimize the workbench, and then install MySQL shell. We require these three products and we can click on next after this. So MySQL server, MySQL workbench, and MySQL shell. So click on next. Now it shows that they are ready to install. Click on execute. Now you can see that they are installing. Depending upon the computing speed of your laptop or system, it will take the respective time. Now you can see that the installation of all the three products have been completed. After this, just click on next. It says that the server is ready to configure. So click on next. Now here you do not need to change any of the settings and just click next. Now for login or authentication process, it will ask you a password. Set up a password and remember this because when you will open MySQL, this password will be required. So click on next and here you have to set up a password. So set a password here and just click on next. Again, you do not need to change the settings. Click on next. Again, by default, keep these settings. Click on next. Now, this configuration process will start. Click on execute. Again, depending upon the system, it will take the time. You can see that the configuration has been completed. Now, click on finish. After this, again, says that the configuration completed. Click on next. And now, finally, click on finish. Now you have landed on the MySQL workbench. So here you can see that there is one connection which we created during the installation process. This is the root user. In the coming video, we will see the different type of connections or how many connections we can have. So for now, just double click on this and you will see that the workbench opens And this is the exact user interface where you will write the queries and interact with the databases. So here you can see that there are a lot of options available, and we will see step by step what each option help us. So I hope this video will help everyone to install MySQL on their local system. Now, in the coming video, we will see the different types of basic SQL commands along with their theory and practicals. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone, and let's connect in the next video.